Hey, YouTube creators! In this tutorial, we're going to walk you through the process of live streaming on YouTube using OBS, Open Broadcaster software. Whether you're gaming, vlogging, or sharing your expertise, streaming on YouTube is a great way to engage with your audience in real time. Step 1. Set up your YouTube channel. Before you start streaming, make sure your YouTube channel is set up for live streaming. Ensure your account is verified and that you've completed YouTube's requirements for live streaming eligibility. Step 2. Download and install OBS. If you haven't already, head over to obsproject.com to download OBS. It's free and open source. Follow the installation instructions for your specific operating system. Step 3. Get your YouTube stream key. In your YouTube Studio dashboard, navigate to the Live Streaming section. Here, you'll find your unique stream key. This is like a secret code that links OBS to your YouTube channel. Make sure to copy it. Step 4. Configure OBS. Now, let's set up OBS. Open OBS and click on Settings. In the left sidebar, choose Stream. Under Service, select YouTube Gaming. Paste your stream key into the Stream Key field. Step 5. Set your stream settings. Fine-tune your stream settings based on your internet speed and hardware. Adjust video bitrate, resolution, and frame rate. Set up your audio sources, like your microphone and system audio. Step 6. Create scenes and sources. Organize your stream content with scenes and sources in OBS. Add your webcam, game capture, or any other elements you want to include in your stream. Step 7. Preview and test. Click Start Streaming to initiate a preview on YouTube. Use this time to test your stream's quality, making sure everything looks and sounds great. Step 8. Go live on YouTube. Once you're satisfied with the preview, head to YouTube Studio and click Go Live. Your stream will now be live on your channel for your audience to see. Step 9. Interact with your audience. Engage with your viewers by monitoring the live chat. Answer questions, take requests, and make your stream interactive. Step 10. Ending your stream. When you're ready to wrap up, return to OBS and click End Stream. YouTube will process your video, and it'll become a regular video on your channel. Conclusion. That's it. You're now ready to start live streaming on YouTube using OBS. Remember, practice makes perfect. So experiment with different scenes and sources to create engaging and entertaining live content for your audience. Happy streaming!